kahung masakhan minit khat chau ka nge lele pe puwa ye ga chun hunga ka document be hi hung peleng ti hi kangai tu nai je kin kahung participate lele luckily I have been given a chance to speak a minute or two ma it's a privilege for me I le amasan you now te hello digin thil khat ka ge no ma zo phale ke hi speech peding a hung ke pwa ka hung na je pen ta kai le please ka ji hi khat be be hung sim thaleng ti ka u ta hung kai chun gam le na ma dinga kum ngalam kana tai na hin bang ka hi wa ti hoile neo khat mi pi he ting ka ge no ma je ga chu ka ngai isu pi te hello digin thil khat ba gen ka tin iboi now hi bang je ta ka hem ti hi he to poi mo ka sa Since 2006, we have been running for the cause of tribal inheriting rights in Manipur. We all the Manipur Tribal Union. I'm the General Secretary. For the past 5 years, I have been there, and we are fighting for our tribal land, tribal rights. We are fighting for our forests. We are fighting for our ADC elections. We are fighting for the tribe demands of the Métis to set down. Right. So, in the course of our actions, many times our president are being jailed. And some of our colleagues are being jailed. That was that which we come across. So today, the real final countdown is came, and we are awake only. Before that, we called many times on the chief in all the district, but none abide us, nor none believe that this thing will happen. But seeing the sinister design of the Métis, we try to wake up the chief and the CS of the tribals in Manipur. But that could not happen. I'm sorry to say that. Tunya ka gen num chu gamle nam ngai na mi pieces anang ti khom hi alo pi ka sa ka kipaka I tribal unity hi suk deta hita hiting khom sing singa atop chana chi khom di hi ti hi tunya mi pi te kang hasot nai hen la tunya ka gen num pen chu bang zia ka what is the main reason behind we are being attacked? Number one, look east policy at your centering. It's a golden triangle. Look east policy here. Simagowa. Golden triangle iti pale. India, Burma, Laos, Thailand, jahi business set up a go away. Jeka chu inter road connection no maintain, rail interconnection no maintain. Path chule business hi Indian allow thong pen to China hai. China compete heading hi India hi ki prepare hai. Je aki prepare na chu look is policy golden triangle ang bol gunawa hin Manipur le sukha ko me bangzikin business center. Ahong tisiam do pale more hi number one huintin behiang number two Manipur forest rule and forest Manipur government ya adenzar mama mea last pena 2021 a bill passed le the chief minister of Manipur and governor have the absolute power on the forest issue of Manipur ti ta chun zia ka chun tabang ho ana paswa igam le pek lak thi na ding chun baga bol tawem wildlife sanctuary tiwa wetland and peripheral ekatiwa forest actually proposed forest protected forest reserve forest tiwa gam lak na ding chum se etekeng boloi je chu igamu ade chak je bang je ka asunga natural resources am je ka chu e ho igam hi chu tha ke go te number 2 a kuki jo community te hi central government bureaucracy and high up hiwa additional chief secretary ho line up hiwa police lamale additional DGP ho line up hiwa status rank reputation hile en lawa azeba na chun igama hi tabang thil hau sakna hi ehon chang lewin amau sanga chu economy sang zo di ti hezekin zo cheng jekin tuni hin etek hiwe he ye ka chun tuni hin amahon lampi ne lo jekun a last resort chun Métis tribe demand to scheduled tribe ang lut gowa chun amin memin kumni kum thum nunga khan foreigner Burmese refugee illegal immigrant ailwale forced encroachers of the forest in amin mo me jechu name sek me a reality chile they want to grab some land and they want to extract those companies, and in order to flourish their economy, they want to chase out. This is ethnic cleansing. Boleh go to him. Zehitu ni mipiteri pona upper post a region meititin abrudlia etegay pona iheto apoy mo kasagahim. Som san gen katin. Tu ni hin tugen ni kong kisapwa plit so hua kong zik thak bak hung sim thaling kati akong hung ding kahya kap plit hung zik ho chu ede ngai thak sakun lang gen katim. Dear Britain, we are on fire. We are at the verge of extinction. The need of the hour is unity, peace, love, and brotherhood. We need to stand together through thick and thin, through rain or shine. The Kukijong nation called us to fight till our last breath. We should not bow down before an idol worshipper. The God of Israel is with us. We are more worthy than Adani and Jubilant Oil Company. Our survivor and our ancestral land are more important than the MP's elections and politics. We are human. We have our human rights. We need to fight for our existence. This ethnic cleansing and genocide pre-well-planned program is an infringement and perversities to the law. We must expose to the whole world. The largest democracy is doomed when there is no law and order. India is shame when our sisters and daughters are being paraded naked, raped by mob in the broad daylight. Where is Beti Bachao, Beti Parao, Mr. Modizian, Mr. Amit Shahji? Where is a constitution to protect and safeguard the tribal and minority rights? Why we are left behind today? Where are you? Why can't you speak? Where is the constitution? Where is the law? Here is my final plea to Modizian, Amit Shahji. Stop playing on the innocent life. Stop playing on the innocent life. Put President ruled in Manipur. Put President ruled in Manipur. Remove Biren Singh. Remove Biren Singh. Give separate administration to the tribal Kukijou community. Give separate administration to tribal Kukijou community. Zahi complete kazi kahin. So for the last audience, please join with me. I'll speak out. We want, then the audience have to speak justice. When I say we want, you have to speak justice. Okay? And the second one should be we want, and you have to say separate administration. Right? Are you ready for the first? I'll say we want. You have to speak aloud with the top of your voice, justice. Okay? We want. Justice. We want. Justice. We want. Justice. The next one should be we want separate administration. Right? We want. Separate administration. We want. Separate administration. We want. Separate administration. God be with us always. Thank you.